Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this delicious puff puff. Everybody loves puff puff. Yes, I love puff puff, and puff puff is one of Nigeria's most common and favorite snacks. Yes, and in my bowl I do have flour, sugar and yeast. If you don't have instant yeast, because I'm using instant yeast, you can proof your yeast before pouring it in the flour. And I did add salt, a little bit of salt. I'm going to try and put all the measurements in the description box. And for this puff puff, I'm using eggs. Yes, you can decide not to use egg if you want, but I like using egg. And I'm going to be using milk too instead of water. So I'm going to be using warm milk, not hot milk because of the yeast, but very not so hot, but warm milk, lukewarm milk, not room temperature milk, but lukewarm milk. Yes, and I'm going to be mixing everything together. I'm going to be adding the milk step by step because I don't want the dough to be too runny. What I want is just a stretchy and thick dough. So I'm going to be adding the milk bit by bit. And this is the kind of dough we want, the consistency of dough that we want, thick and stretchy. And I did add my cinnamon powder. You do not want to skip this part. Adding cinnamon powder brings it to another level. Yes, and I did add vanilla extract too. You can skip the vanilla extract if you don't have, but try and add the cinnamon powder. You will really love it. Its aroma and the taste it gives it, it's really nice. Yes, so I'm going to keep on stirring and stirring till everything is properly mixed together. And like I said, this is the kind of dough consistency that we need, thick and stretchy, not running at all, because we need to form the balls with our hands. You will understand what I mean when we start making this puff puff. And I'm going to allow it to rest for about 10 minutes in a very hot place. Sorry, that part I didn't show, but I did cover it up and allow it to rest in a warm place. And you can see it's doubled in size. And yes, this is the part where it gets tricky. Yes, we are going to be using our hands to scoop out like this. Don't worry, you think, oh, it's not perfect. Don't worry, it will all get round when it's really cooked. And it doesn't have to be perfectly round. We are not interested in how round it is. What we are interested in is the taste. So this is how we are going to be forming our puff puff. With our hands and the dough out from the middle of our fingers. I hope you can see how I'm doing it. It's easy, and yeah, you would think it's hard if you're trying it for the first time, but it's not really hard. It's very easy. And there are several ways you can make it. You can use a spoon too if you want. Yes, you can see what I meant. The puff puff, they are all round now. You can see the shape that it formed. And like I said, the shape doesn't really matter. What matters is the taste of our puff puff. And our first batch of puff puffs are ready. You can see how it looks, golden brown. And the aroma in my kitchen now, it's so sweet, and nobody will be able to resist not having one of this delicious puff puff. So let's make another batch. Watch closely on how I'm going to be scooping it out from my fingers. Like I said, it's a bit tricky, and if you are doing it for the first time, you will think it's difficult, but it's not really difficult. So this is another batch we'll be making, and yeah. And if you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Julia and you are welcome. And to all my returning subscribers, you all are amazing. Thank you for always coming back to my videos. I really do appreciate. If you have not liked this video, please give my video a thumbs up. It helps my channel to grow. And do share this recipe. Someone else might be interested to watch this recipe and make theirs. Thank you. If you are not yet subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. Help a girl to grow. On this channel, I do food, I do family lifestyle, vlogs. A lot of interesting things happen here. So please do subscribe. I will really appreciate. And yay, our puff puffs are ready. Look at this deliciousness. Oh my God. And it tasted so delicious. Ah, I won't lie, I ate more than one or two balls of this puff puff because it was really, really delicious. You can see how delicious and soft, and inside how it's really, really nice inside on the inside. I hope you'll be trying this recipe too. And here I just have my grilled fish. I like pairing my puff puff with grilled fish. Let me know in the comment section below what you like pairing your puff puff with. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you all in my next video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Bye bye.